Is your business feeling the pressure? Lost in a sea of disconnected systems? When your data lives in silos, productivity stalls, and your team struggles to keep up? What if there was a way to bring it all together? Seamless integration is the key to unlocking a business's full potential. Imagine your sales, finance, and warehouse departments all working in sync, effortlessly sharing data in real time. No more duplication of efforts. No more searching through multiple platforms. With seamless integration, the business is not just on track, but it is driving forward. Make smarter decisions, save time, and boost productivity with systems that work in cohesion. Seamless integration, the ultimate path to growth. Contact us today to learn how we can streamline your business. x2xecommerce.com. Unlock the future of proficiency.